Sheriff, yes, you'll have to excuse me, but I have to take care of some paperwork. I shall be right back.
Maverick,
what?
I told you to do that before we left town.
I did not have enough time.
You better make it fast, you understand?
I make no promises.
All right, now people on the train, listen up. My deputy's going to be a little busy for a couple minutes, so I need y'all to be my eyes and ears, and if you see anything suspicious, we need you to let us know. Can you do that? I mean, just holler out.
Look behind you.
Right now? I'll look. I'll take a look. Don't you worry about it. They ain't nothing back there. They all trying to trick me. Still? All right. I'm going really fast. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I didn't see nothing. Now I'm going to go in there. I hear you yell. I already looked back there twice. I ain't doing it again. Fool me once. Shame on me. Fool me twice. I don't remember how that goes. I'll be back in a second. I'm going to go in here. Hello? Anybody in here? Hello?
Hey, Sheriff, I'm here.
Oh! Yeah. Oh! Where'd you come from? You smell? That's my face! Oh! Why didn't you tell me there's somebody behind me? I'm going to get you now.
Let's go.
Oh, take that. Ain't that. Oh, yeah. You get out.
I got it. I'm coming out. Yeah. Well, look at what I found here in the Western Union. Not very old shit.
What are you doing out here? Don't you know somebody could get hurt?
Sheriff, that's the idea. I'm here to rob the train.
Rob the train?
Yes.
I don't think so. Looks like I got the drop on you.
Actually, there, Deputy Tom. Looks like I got the drop on you.
Oh, where the hell is that thing? I hate to ask this, but just who are you boys?
I'm mighty glad you asked, Sheriff. My name is Texas Pete, and this here's my identical twin brother Tabasco.
Hello.
And together, we are the...
Believe it, not Sauce Bandits. I think they're serious.
I think they're listen here, Mr. Sauce. We don't want no trouble, okey-dokey, so y'all just get back on that train.
Sure.
We'll forget this after, okay?
Too bad. This trouble is what you got.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, then.
Go on there. Come here.
Oh, yeah, I want you. Come on.
Very good. You okay?
Are you okay?
Let go! Let him go! Yeah. Let him go. All right. Now you. Get over here. Now listen up, Sheriff.
Yeah.
I'm here for one thing. And it's for that gold.
I'm sorry, but you ain't gonna get it.
Why not?
Because that's the land payment for the Indians. You take that gold. They have a break in here. Parts going to come through here. Small fan of Coleman. And scalp everybody out here.
Okay, I'm done. See you later.
Hey, Tabasco! Get back over here. We're not leaving until we get that gold. Let's go up there and get it.
But looks like you're gonna be standing out here for a mighty long time there, sir, because I ain't getting no gold for no goofy burgundy pants, mama's boy. I can't dress myself booger picking Ninja Turtle mask sporting wearing bandits like you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. All right, then. Somebody's gold coming right up.
Go get that gold.
Thank you very much. All right.
Oh, Texas Pete, we gonna be so rich.
We sure are. What you gonna do with your share of gold?
I'm gonna go find gold down bottom of these houses.
You don't have a horse.
Yeah.
I need a horse.
All right, boys, listen.
We're not finished with you guys yet. Let's see how rich we are, Tabasco.
Oh! Yeah. We only got one bag of gold and one Willy Wonka chocolate bar.
One bag of gold, one Willy Wonka chocolate. You mean to tell me that them Indians traded all this land for one bag of gold and one Willy Wonka chocolate bar?
Here, Sunside. Now we set you on a plan, okay?
Yeah, there's like 458 bags in the fort.
What the matter?
What? Yeah!
Why would you do that? Why would
Yeah, come on. Woo! I tell you what, boys. Load this bucket go back up on the train. We're gonna take a little field trip back to Fort Boone.
Wait, we're taking a field trip?
Yeah.
I get my my permission slip signed.
I take out a filthy biscuit. Cooper, I tell you what, I got a job for you.
Yeah.
You go down there and take care of them folks.
Oh, okay, ducky. All right, folks, I hope everyone is enjoying their Wild West train ride today. Can I get anyone something nice and cold to drink? Maybe a Coca-Cola, perhaps? Maybe one of those
Tabasco.
having a little slow start.
Tabasco.
What's that?
Get me.
Oh,
You're supposed to be mean.
Oh, yeah, so you want me to take care of him in a bad way?
Yeah, basically.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty, you are gonna get cotton candy, you're gonna get a mellow jello, and you are gonna get a hot shot.
I meant to rob them.
Why didn't you just say so? Alrighty, folks.
I don't have any fun.
Me and Texas Pete are gonna be walking amongst you, collecting your valuables and whatnot. So please tap out your cash, your valuables, your jewelry, your credit cards.
We do not accept American Express. I apologize for the inconvenience. Don't give us no love. We won't have any problems. Mr. Conductor, let's go.